Write out and evaluate the summation from k equals 2 to 5 of 1 minus 2 to the k. So we begin this process by substituting in 2 for k. So this would be 1 minus 2 squared plus, now we substitute in 3, 1 minus 2 cubed plus, now we substitute in 4, 1 minus 2 to the 4th plus 1 minus 2 to the 5. Let's evaluate each of those. 2 squared is 4, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Then we have plus, 2 cubed is 8, 1 minus 8 is negative 7. Then we have plus, 2 to the 4th is 16, 1 minus 16 is negative 15. And then we have plus, 2 to the 5th is 32, 1 minus 32 is negative 31. And now we simply add together these four negative numbers, which gives us a value of negative 56.